We are experienced.
We are sustainable.
We serve well over 275 national brands.
We provide custom lighting solutions,
design, supply, lighting and electrical maintenance,
and retrofits.
We are Capital Light.
Capital Light started way back in 1926 as a traditional electrical distributor, not just lighting, but also lighting controls, switch gear, anything electrical will provide. Lighting design, lighting layout, that's our specialty for all our customers across the country.
We do everything from helping various retailers, banks, schools, restaurants. We help them develop and design their lighting.
We really help our customers build a long-lasting design and give them the best value they can for their money.
New construction where we ship out to all our locations throughout the country.
Typically they'll come with design challenges. In that case, we'll work with the architects that they're doing business with.
So with assisted living, we're doing a lot with circadian rhythms and the color temperature of lighting. That's done with a lot of controls, but we have a controls team that does a really good job of putting all that together.
We handle lamp replacement throughout North America, and with that we currently handle roughly about 30,000 locations.
We market ourselves on soup to nuts. You don't need anybody else because we have the construction, we have the design, we have the maintenance, we have the rebate.
We do a lot of utility rebate savings. We've saved our customers millions of dollars. We'll do all the work in-house, work with the utility company, and be able to give you your rebate check.
Capital Light Maintenance, we handle roughly about 9,000 locations there.
We're in it for a long term for our customers, so we want to make sure we provide the material that's long-lasting, that's sustainable and maintainable down the road.
We have all the data in our system. So if we built the store, we know what lamps you need, we know what maintenance you're going to need, and we know what products you're going to need.
We offer retrofitting to older stores. We change their lighting to LED technology, and by doing that, they save money on their energy bills.
We're making our customer for life.
Our Fort Worth warehouse is approximately 100,000 square feet. The areas we cover is primarily North America. However, we do handle globally, heavily concentrated in the UK and throughout Europe, and we also have some accounts currently today in China.
We have extremely detailed staff.
We have the experience. We've been doing this for a long time.
We are the best in the country in what we do. We are the top distributor for national accounts of what we do. We do things quickly, accurately, and with a smile on our face.
Customer service is definitely the key to our success.
They trust our employees to handle their business.